What's going on YouTube? Xbox Helper here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to open your Xbox without the tools. Alright, so let's get started here. Oh yeah, you're going to need Phillips, and you're going to need a butter knife, any kind of knife that's strong enough. Alright, so right now you're going to want the hard drive off, of course. Take the front part off, pull that off hard. It's gonna be pretty hard if it's your first time opening your Xbox. You're gonna wanna take this off, and then you're gonna wanna take the hard drive part off too. You gotta pull it off hard if it's not your first time opening it. Alright, now this part's also a little difficult for me. You're gonna wanna get your butter knife. You're gonna wanna find a little open spot. You're gonna wanna dig your butter knife in there, pull it out. There's two things that you're gonna wanna pull out. I don't know if you can see them, but they're little two tabs right there, and one's right there. So then you wanna get this part out right here at the end. This part right there, that little thing, if you can see it. You wanna dig in there deep. Be very careful and very gentle. Right now, I am not being gentle, but that is okay. Pull that out. See, I got it out. And then you're gonna also want to do the same thing with the other side. See, I got that out. Okay, as you see, got that out. Bam, bam. Alright. Both sides. Uh-oh. Now you wanna go to the front, and you see a tab right there, there, and all the way here, which is right there. You're gonna lift those up. If it's not your first time again, you're gonna want to use knife. It might be a little hard. Usually I do it with my fingers. Fingers freaking hurt right now. Oh my god, this might take a second. Oh my god. Yeah, you want to get the ends off first and do the middle one last. Okay, got that side off. Ah! Alright, and once you get those off, bam! There you go. Okay, now, you want to be careful in here. Whoa, my Xbox is dusty. I actually cleaned it off a while ago, but looks like it just got dusty again. I will clean that up out there. Alright. You want to lift this part off gently. There'll be two cords. You're going to want to take that off. Take that one off gently, gently. Here's where you're going to need a Phillips. There's going to be 4 screwdrivers. One right there, there, and there. I actually lost one, but that is actually okay. I got 2 in the back, 1 in the front. You're going to want to take all those screws off. Sorry, I'm being a little too freaking slow here, but for some reason my fucking screws don't want to come off. Oh my god. There you go. Oh, he's stuck on there. Do not lose any of these fucking screws or you'll be fucked. Alright, now here, lift the top off. Make sure the bottom part does not come off. Hold by these little black parts and lift the top off. Alright, here, I left a fucking game in here. Never do that again. Because I could have been fucked. Now here, there's going to be a little stick up here, and there's going to be this metal piece. You're going to want to pull that sticker off. And then there's going to be a little black part. You want to push this part down, the metal part, and then turn the screw, I think it's to the fucking right or something. And do not lose both of these parts. Both of these parts are so important. This is what turns your tray. But anyways, then here they are. You're gonna want to put the magnet on this side and turn it whatever way that it goes into the screw so it's locked on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then you're gonna want to stick it back on. It's not that dirty actually. And then you're gonna wanna stick these little screws back on. Alright, and there you go. Just put it back in, you're done. Then whatever ISO you have for whatever game, you should be all set. Alright, thank you. Have a nice day. I'll make a video on how to put your Xbox back together, because that's what I will be doing soon, because I don't want no dust get into my fucking Xbox and fuck it up. But alright, that's it. Message, comment, subscribe. I'll see you. Alright, bye.